Mahama wakwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wofreme Adwoa searching
of where he started, like declaring those assets. And like guess what? In the first place, these asset declaration agencies are there. That you have to go, only that it is not made public.
Yeah.
They go and then they do it. When you say you are opening some position, no declare assets. But we know, or in the broad, and I say even to do it in the broad daylight, now precedes that. But weren't this same NDC people sitting at the back after all the declaration and still shouting, Kromfo. So if somebody is a thief and declaring their asset is going to stop them from stealing, especially after they have been vetted for that office, Mahama is a backward thinker. That is the problem we have. Okay, or a backward thinker, because when we are thinking about digitization, he's thinking about how to give the gas, kinky, and fish. You understand? When we are thinking about building harbors and stuff for them, he's thinking about how he can give them how do they call it, premix. So his thinking and way of doing things is always backwards, and that is why the few intelligent people around him are able to use him. The way of thinking. Say Mahama, okay, and now what's our president? Not chiri.
But
and that is how he's been able to train his followers and his supporters. Now, let's talk about this whole declaration. Quick in a little way. Mr. Bansa, now, what are they declaring?
They are declaring their assets, what they have.
What assets? How sure are we, say, they are declaring all the assets that they're supposed to declare? Weren't we in this country, especially when Ibrahim Mahama's jet was nowhere to be found in action, but as soon as the brother came, he's been able to buy a next jet?
A second jet. So he has.
You understand?
He has 2 jets now.
He has 2 jets now. That's what I'm saying.
Oh, yeah.
When his brother was in opposition, even the 1 jet alone, he was hard to parade it. The moment the brother came into power, now all of a sudden, Ibrahim Mahama has 2 jets. And I'm not saying he's not a rich man. Don't get me wrong. Through his brother, John Dramani Mahama, they've stolen a lot. They've stolen a lot of money. There's a lot of money through it. Because you know what? I say, Mr. Bansa, what you say? Now we're in your position. Now when you say who position, maybe to me, so you have to put it in my name.
Of course.
Isn't that what Okudata Blocker said?
Yeah. That
How can you tell me, say, your sister, who is a student, okay, whom you sponsored to go abroad to go and study, is the owner of a mansion you are renting? That's the chairman of the oral committee, by the way. What assets are they really declaring? Are they giving us what they want us to know, or what they feel, okay, this one is safe for you to know? And in any case, who does not know, say, Ibrahim Mahama has been fronting for his brother. Ibrahim Mahama is sick and never be when in a buy one of the man.
So, fellas, what are you saying? What are you insinuating?
I'm saying is that he steals and he puts it in his brother's name. And that is how his people are. What we are Kromfo, Okudato Broka, Okovieska de Cosidaya, Okoto Big Mansion, or Sinino, student, they are not Ghana near JDM, and they are hailing this stupid boy. These are the things that get me angry. This guy has stolen in broad daylight. Okudato Broka, finally come and show us the things you said you have. Come and show us evidence. All of a sudden, he's renting an 8,000 a month mansion, and he's getting 15,000 Ghana cedis a month.
$8,000 or 8,000 Ghana cedis.
$8,000, 8,001 Ghana cedis. Airport sales, do you see? Do they pay in cedis there?
No, they don't pay in cedis. But
those who rent in Chado, do they pay in cedis? The guy is lying. He's a liar. He's a trickster and a thief. And that is why, to draw the attention from him, he's going about telling, look at the silly thing that happened. There's this third vice chair, Omari Wadie. There's a car he uses. I've actually sat in that car before, because when we were going on the tour for the campaign. He was part of the team that was running with the second lady. So I had and him, I knew him through Hobson. Through Hobson, and that was how I met her. I'm like, Chairman, what dear? And he has so many cars. And I'm talking about proper cars. He's not a poor guy. He's not a puppet. He's not a Sami Jenfi who stole Nkokwa and then graduated to become the owner of taking care of gold. No, he is somebody that has worked. These same oral people went and just in their own stupid thinking. That is why I said this party NDC Nankasano say uwomua two things. Say unya beifua wajune na enye juma. It is very simple. Okay. The car that this man has been using, those who know Chairman Wadie knows this is his car. Didn't they go to repossess it? What happened? What happened? Didn't they come back and then apologize, bring the car back and then apologize to Wadie? So it is basically a book of he say, she say, I care. Yes, we are far away. Yes, Mr. Banks a real shoe. Collins a real shirt. Felix a real way. Yes, say. And they want to use yes, say.
To work.
Okay?
To work.
To buy evil eyes for people. That is why I said, for me, personally, I don't see why a thief should be what? Should be investigating a thief. It doesn't make sense. So Kromfo to me, we should check Kromfo adimu. So now, no Abekacho say, or no Mahama, no, I have declared my asset. What shows said that is all his asset he has claimed? Isn't it like the same guy who told us, say, he only has one bank account? So he only has one bank account. Meanwhile, in that same interview, he was talking about a Fidelity account that, or even that one, he doesn't use it that much. But he said his only account was his ADB. So in the same interview, John Mahama said his account, he only has one account. He doesn't have no offshore account. He doesn't have no account in Dubai. The place your son lives in Dubai is your own. How sure? What job does your son do to afford those type of apartments? Show us. So Mahama should come and show us what type of work his son is doing to be able to occupy that place. Or he thinks that we do not have people in Dubai. We have people in Dubai. Couldn't he be a rented? We also have people in Dubai who see this boy. Couldn't he be a rented apartment? How sure are you that it belongs? Listen, in Dubai, even to rent an apartment is not a joke. That is what I'm trying to tell you. What job are you doing? Because right now in Dubai, sir, and I'm being honest too. A daya answer danya papa, a daya ketwa answer danya papa no. When you also went to per month to crown, you pay $2,000 per month. Wow. You can ask those who go to Dubai. All the people around him are rich. What job do they do?